Well, what's up, family? Back in the house with Home Chef. I don't know what this is. I don't even remember ordering anything from Home Chef. With these services, you guys make sure that if you want to pause it, you pause it. I didn't pause it, so they ended up sending me another box. So I'm trying to open it up and see what's in it. Little trinkets, my little guitar from Cozumel. Little trinkets. Let's see what we got here. And, you know, your boy's packed, so you guys get a few more videos. Probably the next few will probably be in Atlanta, so your boy's packed. All right, why do they always bend my cards? I don't like that. So this is what we got in the box, guys. Sofrito, turkey stuffed peppers. That looks excellent. Pan-seared chicken with shallot, Beurre Blanc, whatever that is. It looks great. Let's see. And we also have a chicken Dijon cream with zucchini and sun-dried gratin. So I guess I chose the real bougie side of the menu. I don't know. So that's what it is. But this won't be getting cooked until next week because I am out this joint. But if you haven't seen their Home Chef boxes, this is what we have. They have the little ice packs. I supposed to took this out last night, but the boy got busy. As you know, it was laundry day yesterday. So that's the green peppers. That's the cream and Dijon cream, all that good stuff, blah, blah, blah. Okay. This is, there's only 3 meals in here, so the ingredients look nice and fresh. Kale. That should be good, like a cream. That's the pan-seared chicken and shallot. Shallots. Oh, these big, beautiful peppers. Well, what I'm doing today is going to include peppers as well, too. Sofrito stuffed peppers. And them is a buffalo style stuffed peppers. All right, so, of course, the meat comes in this little bag here, so. Yeah, we haven't put these guys in the freezer, and then when I come back Monday, I'll start back on it.
They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guys. And we be
So for you guys, I pray you guys are doing well today. I am going to be preparing another Home Chef meal. It actually will be the buffalo style. Let's actually take it to the light so we can see. So I will be preparing the buffalo style chicken peppers with the ranch crema and cheddar. That looks absolutely delicious. Simple, easy, 40 to 50 minutes. Do I have that long to make it? But we'll see. Nutritional facts, 560 calories. All right, you guys stay tuned. Guys, here's what we have in the bag. Of course, we're making this. The chicken. Open the bag up. Bag is nice and sealed up. It's funny, I like the Home Chef individual bags better than Hello Fresh, but I like the Hello Fresh boxes better with what it shipped there. I got the peppers, got sour cream. We have our purpose ranch seasoning. There's some cheese. There's some more cheese. There's bacon. Oh, crispy onions. Okay. There's some buffalo sauce. An onion. Some more sauce. And peppers. Yes, sir. Go get this situated. And we're gonna get to preparing it. So it looks like it's gonna be pretty easy. Of course, got chicken you gotta cook. Gotta cut these guys out and prepare them. So I want us to go ahead and get started on just prepping them up. Half them up, fill the onion, and then do the sauce. All right, let's get started. Nice onion, onion all nice and diced. Got the peppers. All right, got the peppers all halving. I did the long way. You see? Yeah, halving on up. So if they were together, they'll be like this. So I did the long way. All right, so I got chicken. Get that together. You guys, chicken is all chopped up. Guys, next they want us to take the sour cream and put it in the bowl. Get this out of here. So sour cream and the seasoned blend. Add that together. Make sure you give it a mix. Guys, I want us to go ahead and get our peppers into the oven. 10 minutes on. All right, next we're gonna get our chicken and go in this hot skillet along with our onions. Let's go ahead and get that going. Okay, guys, for our chicken, I'm gonna run a little salt and pepper on it. Oh, there it is. So I didn't see it coming out. Okay, all right. And let that cook, and then we're gonna add our mixed ingredients to it. Okay, and this is the filling for our peppers, obviously. I got just about ready here. Onions, it smells so good. Supposed to be a lot of onions at first, but it's caramelizing real nicely. Make sure your chicken is all the way cooked. And then we're gonna add that buffalo sauce in here next. And you just do that buffalo sauce to you like. If you don't like a lot of that flavor, you don't add a lot, just add one. You guys got the peppers out, good to go. The little char that adds more flavor, which I'm happy about. Chicken is just about ready to add some buffalo sauce. Is going to add this. This has a little heat to it, so you could not add this and maybe try another sauce or just no sauce at all. But since the recipe calls for this, I'm going to go ahead and add it. And just mix it up a bit. Get it all mixed up. I don't want to be crazy hot, so I'm just going to add this just a little bit. Okay. You guys want us to flip them over. Kind of flat. Then flip them over. They're not nice and pretty like their picture. I had them on 400. They did charge it. But anyway, we're gonna make this thing work. Okay. We're gonna take our stuffing and we're gonna put it over here. Get these guys stuffed. Hey guys, I went ahead and stuffed them. Well, kind of like stuffed them. And now let's go ahead and get the cheese on them. For sure. These guys are going back in the oven. Back in the oven. Back in the oven. Yes, sir. All right, back in the oven. Still have them on 400. They say 8 to 10 minutes, but at least until cheese melts. All right, guys, we're going to take these guys on out. Looks like the cheese is all melted. Doesn't look as pretty as the picture, but hey, it is what it is. Maybe I could have cut them a different way, I'm not sure. Or maybe I could have just cut a pocket in them and stuffed them. That's probably what I should have did. But either way, guys, here we are. Let's add the finishing touches on it. Now they want us to top it with the cream that we made. The cream on top. Okay. Yes, sir. And last but not least, our crispy onions. Yeah. Crispy onions on top. Yes, here we go. Buffalo style chicken stuffed peppers. Yes, sir. I could have just like cut them open partially and then stuffed them, but you know, next time we know. But I like them. They look good. They look actually pretty good. So let's go ahead and give them a taste. And here we are, guys. Not too bad. I understand the concept. There we go. Well, let's give it a taste. See how it tastes. Alright, see if I can grab this guy just with my hand. There we go. There we go. There you go. Just a quick video. Actually, this thing's a bomb. I just added one pack of buffalo. I think that was enough. That's pretty good. One down. All right, and grab this in the same way. Just fold it up like a little taco. It's pretty tasty. You do want to char because char gives it more flavor, and I can tell. All right, here we go, guys. So easy that was to pull apart. Peppers really good. I think I was gonna like these peppers as much as I like them. Okay, home chef. Last but not least, gonna fold this guy and do the same exact thing. Look at that. This is a full meal, man. All right, here we go, guys. Yes, sir. This thing's good. Very good. All right, home chef, that's two that I really like. This is really good. And it's not so heavy either. One for the road. This is good. All right, guys, there we have it, family. Buffalo style chicken stuffed peppers. And it wasn't bad. So make sure you watch how you cut your peppers if you want to have a little cut. But I make mine into pepper tacos and it worked. But anyway, guys, I pray you guys are doing well. Thank you guys for rocking with your boy. And if it's your first time here and you just so happen to come across my channel and like the videos or any other content I may have, please consider joining. We'd love to have you join the family. Like and subscribe. So I'm see you beautiful people next video. Okay.